4,400 PSI. A lot of pressure. You're not going down to the gas station to get one of these filled. You're not going into even a dive shop at this level. So it's designed to, even if you're starting to be engulfed, to inflate your bags. So this is your leg move, and it's important. You're being tossed upside down, sideways, and so forth. This strap is key to make sure that it doesn't get lifted off you. The activation handle. You flip this over, here's the pneumatic coupler, and it just goes straight in. When it comes time to take it off, you pull on the collar, not the handle, and it pops right off into your hand. And flip this piece back down, and Velcro up. So that's in a position when you're out, but you're not in an area of risk. When you're in an area of concern, that Velcro is right up there. They've established a ton of service centers, such as Tahoe Mountain Sports, where you can come in and come up to the counter, bring your activation handle and your canister, and for 45 bucks, you walk out with a freshie. Quick, easy,
there's a little button.
Oh.
Oh. That.
Then just fold it in itself. At this point, I don't know that does it matter. You can go in on it.
Et voilà.
You want to go.
Cool.
I've seen.
Yeah, thank you.